Hello everyone, welcome back to the mailbag. As you may have recently seen, we launched our women's specific shoulder straps. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to remove your old shoulder straps and attach the new ones. We have 3 points where the shoulder strap attaches. We'll start with the top one on the load lifter strap. It's fairly simple. You just want to unthread it, loosen it as much as possible. Your shoulder strap end should be fairly flat, so you can just unthread it through. You'll have to do that twice. Sometimes you want to put it on a little bit of an angle to get the end out, as you can see here. So once you get it to the end, you'll kind of just want to pull the ladder lock forward so there's as much space as possible. Put the end on a slight angle so the tip sticks out, like so, and then just kind of wiggle it through, and it's going to pop out just like that. So the next point, unzip the shoulder strap. Open the sleeve, and then you'll see how the Velcro folds over, and you'll just want to open it simply like that. Unsecure the bottom layer, and then wiggle it out like this. And now your top of the shoulder strap is removed, and we'll move to the bottom. Do the same process as you did with the first load lifter strap. Comes out nice and easy. Put it on a slight bit of an angle to help you out. And your shoulder strap is removed. So we're not going to show you both shoulder straps. We're just going to skip right back to mounting it. Basically, you just reverse the process. So in this case, I'm going to secure the bottom strap first. Now make sure your webbing is straight. Make sure you have your shoulder strap on the right side. So you will just want to thread through the top of the ladder lock, pull it through, thread it through the bottom piece, and your adjustment is in place. So next, we will choose our size, small, medium, or large. This is the Explore 30, so there is no extra large setting. For myself, I'm going to choose medium. I'm going to slide the Velcro webbing through. Secure the Velcro on one side and then secure the back side. I'm going to make sure it's nice and straight, and then I'm going to zip the sleeve closed. I'm going to take the load lifter strap and I'm going to go through the same process again. I'm going to go to the underside of the ladder lock. I've got the end point slightly through, pulling it through just like this. I'm going to thread it back through the bottom, and my strap is complete. So it's a relatively quick, easy process. If you have any questions, let me know down below. We have more tips on how to use your Explore 30. We've got an introduction video on our women's shoulder straps. I encourage you to check those out if you haven't, and we'll see you next time on the mailbag.